everyone. Welcome back to Career Sync. Today we are diving into a topic that has been minds of many job seekers, essential hiring updates, and are you still waiting for result? Feeling frustrated about ghosting, wondering about when you will receive the selection email or if you should move on. Don't worry because I have gathered all the essential details you need to know. Make sure to watch until the end as I also will share some crucial tips to keep your job search on track and your career moving forward. Let's get started. Let's begin with the current status of essential hiring process. As of today, the situation is far from straightforward. Rejection emails have been sent to the significant number of candidates. Many of you are still waiting for your interview process to commence your conclusion. Everyone, unfortunately, some candidates haven't received any communication from Accenture at all, and even not even rejection and selection mails. This lack of clarity is understandably frustrating. If you are feeling stuck, don't worry. You are not alone. I will help you understand that what might the been happening behind the scenes and what steps you can take next. Let's talk about ghosting, one of the most frustrating parts of the hiring process. If it's been more than 45 days since you last heard from Accenture, here is what you should do. Log into the Accenture candidate portal. Updates are often posted here before emails are sent. Check for updates and submit a raising request to inquire about your application status. There might be you can get the selection or you will get mostly probably you will get that you are under review or you will get directly definitely rejection right on the spot. Now you can expand your opportunities. Don't let anyone any company delay your career. Start applying to other roles and organizations to keep your job search active and dynamic. Follow up professionally if you are still keen on the opportunity. Consider sending a polite follow up email to the HR team. However, Accenture don't provide the email before selection, so make sure to raise a ticket that it's a better way than doing this. It's important to understand that ghosting isn't a personal. Hiring processes are often delayed due to internal factors. It can be anything also. Now, for those who have been selected or are waiting confirmation, here is the reality. Selection emails for current positions are pending for many candidates who has did not receive any mail, so they can think that their mails are being on hold, means their selection mails, so they have to wait for a long time. Even after selection, candidates have to wait 3 to 4 months before receiving further updates or onboarding instructions. This delay occurs because each step of the process takes time, from background checks to project allocation. Patience is the key, but it's equally important to stay informed and proactively. While waiting, consider upgrading your skills so that you can apply for more opportunities or be in the productive mind. Now, here is my advice to all job seekers navigating uncertain times. So, don't wait indefinitely. If it's been week or months without updates, it's time to broaden your job search. You have to search for another opportunities and apply to and look for them. Enhance your skill. Use this time to take up certifications or courses that may make your profile stand out and make you more skilled. Field like data structure, data analytics, cloud computing, and project management are high in demand. So be sure to good in all this field. Now, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, attend webinars, or join job oriented communities to discover hidden opportunities like referrals. It will definitely help you to get a job. And also stay positively because the rejections are the part of the process. So remember, every no brings you closer to the right yes. So your dream job might not be at Accenture, but that doesn't mean it isn't waiting for you somewhere else. You will definitely get success and get a job. So it's worth noting that Accenture hiring process, like many large organizations, involves multiple layer of approval and coordination. So this often leads to delay in communicating result or onboarding candidates. While this can be discouraging, it's a reminder to focus on your control and your readiness for the next opportunity. So don't waste time on Accenture only. I hope this video has given you a clear picture of where things stand out with Accenture hiring process. Remember, your career is a journey and every step teaches you something valuable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Sync. Stay tuned for more updates, career tips, and insight. Thank you for watching. As always, keep pushing forward. Your dream job is next to you. Just work for it. Thank you, everyone.